Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explored. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a glass in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. So this is the model of the house, and let's say I'm going to add a glass on this window. So for that, now click on this arrow below the insert component button and select new part. So you can see tick sign is appearing next to the mouse cursor. It shows that you have to select a plane. So whenever I hover my mouse like these faces, another icon shape, a plane shape icon is appearing in next to the cursor. So let's select this face, then make normal to and draw a rectangle. Start it from like this, then press escape button, define the distance, this distance, let's say 5 millimeter, and this distance is also 5 millimeter. Then again press escape button, press and hold control key, select this midpoint, make their relation horizontal. Similarly, select this midpoint and this midpoint, make their relation vertical. Now sketch is fully defined and I had made some distance just to show how the glass will look like. So now go to features and select extruded bow space command, and then here is the from. So drop down these options, select first of all reverse the direction from here, then select the extrusion thickness of the glass. So let's say it is 6 millimeter. So this wall is 10 millimeter wide, and we are going to make this glass 6 millimeter thick. So now from here drop down this options from, and instead of from sketch plane select offset. Offset distance is 2 millimeter, and press space button and select this view orientation. So we have to reverse the offset direction, you can see now, then press OK button. So here you can see now change the color, let's say it's red, and then click on this glass, then from here select appearance, part, these are the appearances, scroll down and from here select glass, select any type of the glass from here, these are the colors, so these are the other type of glass. So let's select this glass, then press OK button. So this is how you can make the glass in SolidWorks. There is another way to make glass in SolidWorks. So for that, right click on the part, then go to material, then select edit material. So from here select or expand other non-metals, then from here select glass and apply, then close. So this is the another way to make glass in SolidWorks. I hope you had learned and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.